Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle, and if you don't already know, I'm a wife, a mom, and a pretend chef, and today we are going to make some creamy Cajun sausage pasta. Now, if you're just learning how to cook, or you're just looking for new meal ideas that are quick and easy and delicious, this is for you, okay? There's only a few ingredients, only a few steps, and it's super delicious. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, then keep watching. I've got all of the ingredients for today's recipe all laid out for us, and of course you can find the exact measurements with the ingredients list and instructions in the description box below. Alright, let's get to it. So to get started, I'm cutting up the sausage into thin slices. I'm using a turkey kielbasa, but you can totally use andouille or beef smoked sausage. Totally up to you, they're all delicious. Now that my sausage is all sliced up, I'm going to take the onions and garlic and saute them with the sausage that I just sliced. So just go ahead and put that into a preheated pan. I actually had mine sitting on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, and that worked perfectly. So once that's all in there, go ahead and add in about half tablespoon of olive oil, and then half a teaspoon of the Creole seasoning over the onions only, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and stir this all up and leave it to cook on medium heat for about 7 minutes or so. And I will be sure to stir it occasionally so that the onions don't all stick to the pan. And while that's cooking, you can also go ahead and get some water boiling for your pasta and just cook your pasta according to the box's instructions. And you can use whatever you want. I'm using today. Now once the edges of the sausages start to curl up like so, you can turn the burner down to low and make sure you turn it down before you move on to the next step. Your lungs will thank you, trust me. So by now you know that we love heat in this house, so I'm using a bit more than half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then I'm going to add in half a cup of tomato sauce. I'm using marinara because that's what I had on hand, but really any tomato sauce will do the trick. And then I'm adding in about half a tablespoon of brown sugar and half a cup of heavy cream. And you want to be sure to stir it up in between every couple of ingredients, just to make sure that it's not getting too thick, okay? Now I'm adding in some paprika. And a 4th cup of Parmesan cheese. Yes, that is what makes it. Do not skip that step if you know it's good for you. If after you've added in the cheese it gets too thick, just go ahead and add in some pasta water to it. That should fix it. Just a couple tablespoons. And make sure you taste your sauce to make sure it's got enough heat and enough salt. I didn't feel like mine did, so I added a little hot sauce and some Tony's Creole seasoning, of course, and that made it perfect. And that consistency is exactly what you want. You want it thick, but not too thick. And the moment you've all been waiting for, you want to go ahead and pour your sauce over some cooked pasta. I topped mine with some good old Parmesan cheese and some parsley, because what's a pasta dish without extra cheese and herbs, okay? Anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like this video if you did. Leave me a comment to let me know what you thought of it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious, easy home-cooked meals. I will see you guys in the next one.